Welcome to the Austrian German tutorial. In this tutorial, we continue our learning series about the topic Austrian words for tourists. In this video, we learn 10 important vegetables in Austrian German, which should help you for your holidays in Austria. For example, we're going to deal with the words Paradeiser, Sauerkraut, or Gurkerl, and so on. If you're interested in a special topic, please let me know in the comments below. So let's get started. The learning goal of this video is to learn 10 important vegetables in Austrian German. First of all, let's start with Paradeiser. Paradeiser. Paradeiser is the Austrian word for tomato. Paradeiser. In general, Paradeiser are often called Tomaten as well, but the typical Austrian word is Paradeiser. Number 2, Häuptelsalat. Häuptelsalat. That's kind of tricky word, I guess. Häuptelsalat is the Austrian word for lettuce. Sometimes the word Kopfsalat is used, or another form is grüner Salat because of the color, green salad so to say, but the traditional word is Häuptelsalat. Number 3, Erdapfel. Erdapfel. In Austria, Erdapfel is used for the word potato. Erdapfel. In Germany, the word Kartoffel is the main word for it. Kartoffel. But Kartoffel is also very common in Austria. But if you hear Erdapfel, it means that the potato is grown in Austria. Erdapfel. Number 4, Carfiol. Carfiol. Carfiol means cauliflower. In Germany, people also say Blumenkohl, but in Austria, Carfiol is more common. Number 5, Kren. Kren. Kren is the Austrian word for horseradish. In other German-speaking countries, it's called Meerrettich. Kren. Kren is very popular when it comes to sausages, for instance. Würstel mit Senf und Kren means sausages with mustard and horseradish. Kren. Number 6, Sauerkraut. Sauerkraut. Sauerkraut is very popular with Bratwürstel, Bratwürstel mit Sauerkraut, especially at Christmas markets. We could also translate it as sour cabbage, but I think sauerkraut is also used in English. Number 7, Rote Rübe. Rote Rübe is the word for red beet. In Germany, it's called Rote Beete. And in dialect, people say Rauner. For instance, a Rauner salad means salad with red beets. Rote Rübe. Number 8, Gurkerl. Gurkerl. Gurkerl is a typical Austrian word, and it's the word for pickles or small cucumbers. Gurkerl. You also come across the word Essiggurken. A typical example would be Wurstsemmel mit Gurkerl in your bread roll with a sausage and pickles. Gurkerl. Number 9, Kohlsprossen. Kohlsprossen. Kohlsprossen is the Austrian word for sprouts. In Germany you also hear the word Rosenkohl, but in Austria Kohlsprossen is more common. And finally, number 10, Gugerutz. Gugerutz. Gugerutz is the Austrian word for maize or corn. Maize is the typical word for Gugerutz as well, so for popcorn we use Gugerutz. Gugerutz. Now let's repeat the most important vegetables in Austrian German. Paradeiser, Häuptelsalat, Erdapfel, Karfiol, Krenn, Sauerkraut, rote Rübe, Gurkerl, Kohlsprossen, and Gurkerl. I hope this tutorial helps you for your holiday in Austria. Thanks a lot for watching the Austrian German tutorial. Have a nice day. See you in the next video. Auf Wiederschauen und Servus.